Speaker, sir, I request to move the bill number 19 of 2023, the Goa Municipalities Amendment Bill 2023 to be taken into consideration.
प्रश्न
Explanation.
मागीर न्ही
Explanation दिता.
हय
Explanation दे.
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक विचारान घेवचें
Explanation दिवनी ताका पयलीं.
आं
Background aha ka. Supreme Court is, there is a background of the Supreme Court on this.
What?
The bill seeks to amend section 9.
Are they already?
Body bond in the rule 16 of the rules of procedure and conduct of business, I move the motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 1 hour.
Yes. The motion is that the duration of the sitting of the House extended by 1 hour.
File the.
Those in favor, ayes.
Aye.
Those in favor, no. Ayes have it, ayes have it. I extend the House
Duration
by
of
1 hour.
1 hour. Man. Explanation.
Speaker, sir, the bill seeks to amend section 9 of the Goa Municipality Act 1968, Act 7 of 1969, herein referred to as the said Act, for devolving the powers of the delimitation to the State Election Commission, so that elections to the municipal councils are conducted in a free and transparent manner. Speaker, sir. The bill, other point 2, the bill seeks to amend section 144 of the said Act so to curtail delay in obtaining permission for construction of building to promote ease of doing business.
Speaker sir, ये जे amendment alla, this is subsequent to a Supreme Court judgment in the Fauzia case. We had won the case in the High Court. Chief Minister said Satyamev Jayate because the case got admitted in the Supreme Court. And in the Supreme Court, you got such a judgment, which was a slap on the face of the government of the time. Why? Because the delimitation and reservation was done by the DMA. And the State Election Commission was not independent. The State Election Commission was a secretary of the government. Secretary Urban Development, secretary. Speaker sir, तो एक specific बरेलेले कि the State Election Commission should be independent and the person even holding the SEC charge cannot be a government officer, because of which national ramifications were there. All state election commissioners were thrown out, who were part of the government. Yes, Zatna, what we expect you to do is that you not only bring the State Election Commission, but you cannot bring in the word consultation, in consultation with state government. Why? Why in consultation? That is the exact point which the Supreme Court had held, that you are not independent of the state government. And this violates Article 243 of the Constitution. In consultation means you are bringing it back to the same position. When it comes to section 144 amendment, you are reducing the time from 60 days to 15 days. 60 to 15 karta tu. Sir, 15 days atta to, from 60 to 15 you are bringing it.
30 days.
Okay, 30 to 15 you are bringing. 30 atta, 60 and 30 karta tu.
The word is 15 days shall be substituted.
No, at the moment it is 60. No, but less karta is good, ease of doing business, you are facilitating people. That part we don't have an objection. We have objection specifically in the word in consultation. Why in consultation with state government? Again you will manipulate the reservation and delimitation. ताजे खातीर आमी कोर्टान गेल्ले आनी ताजे खातीर तुमकां फटको पडिल्लो इतले आसून पसून तुमी समजना तुमकां लिसांवच येना सुप्रीम कोर्ट रोहिंग्टन नरिमन Honorable Justice Rohington Nariman was scathing attack on the Goa government. In spite of that, you are not learning a lesson. Make the State Election Commission completely independent. You can't have in consultation. You remove that word in consultation. Otherwise, take it. Old are 60. That म्हणता आम्ही.
15 झाला.
60 चे 15 केला आम्ही वाचून आयला रे. तुम्ही आता काढता मुगीत मध्ये हे करता टाइमपास. आम्ही हांव पेटिशनरचे केसीन फौजिया शेख म्हणटा तो हे. You read the judgment. You first read the judgment if you have it, and tell me in which phase you can bring this in consultation.
Speaker
sir, another thing. If you bring it, it will be contempt of the Supreme Court.
Speaker sir, Honorable Member Vijay Sardesai has pointed out basically the amendment to Section 9, subsection 2, basically is by replacing director by State Election Commission in consultation with the government.
Consultation is the problem.
Now, Speaker, sir, my query is, will the State Election Commission have complete autonomy, or will the government compel the State Election Commission to consult and concur to the dictates of the government and force the citizens to approach the High Court and the Supreme Court again? Speaker, sir, in section 184, the period of 60 days is reduced to 15 days for both sections. Yes, because say for instance, if there are applicants and may find it difficult to receive supporting documents due to the failure of government in providing time-bound services, within 50 days if you don't provide a time-bound service. Sometimes officers go on leave and there is no substitute person to issue the documents or the certify the documents if they go on leave. Now the period should be for 40 days so that the applicant gets an opportunity to apply for the documents on the RTI at least, which he can obtain hopefully within 30 days of the RTI Act passed 2005. Because this, I believe this is injustice to the common man.
You have taken it wrong. They're wrong.
Taking it to 15 days, and it is the responsibility of the concerned chief officer give approval within 15 days.
If there are two parties, say for instance, because if there are two parties, and if his documents are not...
No, see, you read the old... One second.
Speaker sir, 15 दीस हाडटा 15 दीस हाडप हे applicant म्हळ्यार citizenak फायदो.
You read the old section. Old section says what? The chief officer deems it necessary to call for any further information or documents. The chief officer shall within 60 days of the receipt of the notice require such person by an order in writing to furnish such information, which has been reduced to 15 days. Which should be welcome.
See, 15
it will help
days
the
in
common
that
man.
way is okay, but now in case there are two parties, and in case in one party these documents are not furnished.
There are no two parties.
Yuri, what is happening? No, see, this is basically like the citizen charter. The citizen charter deadline is being reduced in the advantage of the citizen. So that part you forget. Our specific point to you is consultation. You have not read the Fauzia Sheikh judgment. Mr. Digambar Kamath was with us in that judgment. We have both celebrated your defeat of the government. Now he may be on the other side. In the first part, in consultation, we were together and we have given you a bad beating. You all can't...
Yes, sir, I have already put my point of view across.
In consultation card mardu. How can you be independent when they will consult with you?
Yes, sir, I'm just government
Ombudsman?
is the
Ombudsman?
government only appoints the state election commissioner.
अरे बाबा ombudsman ने why should he consult him? हो पोस्टोला आणि सांगतलो हे वर्ड असो कट कर तसो कट कर तो कोण कट करबी
जो हा एक्सप्लेन केलो आसा आमी काय चेंज एजंट काय करपाचे ना द जजमेंट
अरे स्पीकर सर I take objection to this. This is contempt of Supreme Court. तू हांव हे घालतो ना तेजेर वर्बेटिम घेऊन आमी काय चेंज करचे ना आमकां सुप्रीम कोर्ट पडून ना म्हणटा तो
जे कितें
आमी ताका क्लियर कट सांगता दिस इज कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट
फुडें वचचें न्ही
मिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे अननेसेसरी
प्रश्न असो आसा
प्रॉब्लेम
विधेयक विचारान घेवचें जेका ते मान्य आसा
कोर्टान दिल्ले आहा
का मान्य ना ताणी ना म्हणचें
तू कित्याक पडटा हातून
हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालां हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालां विधेयक विचारान घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मान्य जाला हांव त्या विधेयक क्रमवार सभागांत सादर करपाक विधेयकाक दुरुस्त्यो नात प्रश्न असो आसा कलम 2 ते 3 कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आनी प्रदीर्घ मथऱ्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जावचो काय कितें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें
हय
का मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालां हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालां कलम 2 कलम 3 कलम 1 अनधिनियम सूत्र आनी प्रदीर्घ मथऱ्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जाल्यात
जालें आतां खंयचें
डिविजन दिस इज द टाइम टू आस्क द लेजिस्लेचर सेक्रेटरी
भाग जाले जा
डिविजन जाय
4 उदरगत खात्याच्या मंत्र्यान आतां विधेयक मानून घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मांडचो
प्रस्ताव न्ही पास करपाक घेता म्हण तूं आतां तेन्ना डिविजन जाय आमकां स्पीकर सर
Because
I
I request to move the bill number 19 of
Legislature Secretary,
2023,
please
the Goa
advise.
Municipalities Amendment Bill 23 to be passed.
वी वॉन्ट
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक मानून घेवचें जेकाय मान्य आसा ताणी हय म्हणचें
Division.
डिविजन
Division.
डिविजन जाय आमकां
बेल वाजय 5 सादे उबे रावचे
कितें कितें घुसपायता कितें
बेल वाजय म्हटलं मरे
बेल वाजय म्हणा तेच तें
केल्लंय
बेल वाजय आनी वोटींग कित्याक हें सुप्रीम कोर्टान उबें रावचें पडटलें सगळ्यांक तुमकां
रावता भिवला काय तू लोकांक भिवपाची गरज ना
सगळ्यांक धाडटा नोटीस फाल्यां
2 वार
जांकां विधेयक मान्य आसा तांणी उपकार करून उबे रावचें
मायकल रे
हांव विधेयक सभागृहात मुखार ओके ओके
कित्याक इन कन्सल्टेशन जाय तुमकां म्हाका कळना कोर्टान गेल्यार स्ट्रायक डावन जातलें आमकां भोव पडला तें
आता विधेयक सभागृहा मुखार मतदानात घालता जांकां विधेयक मान्य आसा ताणें उपकार करून उबे रावचें
आतां कोर्टान वचपाक
येस कितें जालें
डेप्युटी स्पीकर याद ना कितें रे
डेप्युटी स्पिकराची उडोवपाची आहा तुमी म्हापश्यां
28
ताजेर केल्लें ताका
दोज इन फेवर्स जांकां विधेयक मान्य आसा ते 28 जाले जांकां विधेयक मान्य ना ताणें उपकार करून उबे रावचें
आता बस
मी आतां ओगी उबे रावता पळय तुमकां कळटलें नोटीस येतकच
जालें जांकां विधेयक मान्य ना ताणें 7 जाले 7
चलो
ना एक्चुअली बाब दिगंबर कामती
जांकां
उबे रावंक
विधेयक मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें
आमचे बरोबर आसलो तो इज ऑन रिकॉर्ड
जांकां विधेयक मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें
जालें डिव्हिजनाचेर जालें ते आनी परत ना नेक्स्ट 5 जाले
हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें गोंय नगरपालिका दुरुस्ती विधेयक 2023 मान्य जालां